Yeah, my first day in Subway so far. So now let's start. Yeah, now let's start again. Hope the team was nice. Subway so far. Everyone said me that the game is good. I don't really know if the team said good. So now let's start and see if it's real. Yeah, let's go. Wow, graphics are very nice. Very, very nice. That's the best. It's really nice, man. Yeah. Left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right. One, two. Up, down, left, right. Yeah. Left, right, left, right, up, down, left, up, down, right, down. Wow, the game is really nice. I don't know why, but I think I'm really playing good. Thought the thing will be more difficult than this. Yeah, I love the game. The game is so sweet, man. Oh, left, down, up. Wow, I really escaped from that. I thought I would die now. That's very bad. Left, right, up, down, left, right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When will I fail? When will I fail? Let's die, man. I want to die. Die, die, die. Okay, I think it's now I'll die. No, not now. Yes, I'm dying now. What the fuck? I thought I would die now, man. Up, left, right, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Wow, that sounds really nice, man. That's a nice. It's nice, nice, that's nice. Now, I'm gonna do it now. Not now. Man, what the fuck? Come die, man. Die. I'm waiting for you to die, babe. Babe, die. You want me to shout to you? No. Die. Die. My first day in Subway so far. That's really crazy. That is really crazy. I see that is really crazy. Really crazy, man. Left. Left. Right. Wow. Yes, I will challenge myself. If I rate 500 coins, then I know that I'm the best. 500. My challenge is on 500 because I know I'll fail now. I'm sure. I don't understand. I understand the game, but it's like I feel I'll fail now. Yeah, now. My challenge is 500. I don't know. I don't believe I will reach that. So I'm just going. 400. No. Fuck! I failed 425. Wow, the game is really nice. Graphics good, everything good. That's the best game, man. Hope you download it. That's a good game. Subway Surfer, new update. Everything's nice. Everything is nice. So follow me and wait for the latest video to come back, please. There are more fun games that we are gonna visit together. Yeah, very fun, very nice. Everything is good on it. Fuck! Who told you I want to see this, man? Go back, go back. Close video, bitch. I didn't do you want that. Yeah, it's okay. Now, goodbye and wait for me next time. Please follow, don't forget it.